Hey guys, I have this really simple hair tutorial for you today, and it's this French twist ponytail. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've just started off. I have put my hair into a ponytail, but I haven't tied it up. And now normally where I would tie up my hair, that's where I started twisting until I reached the nape of my neck. Now make sure that when you're twisting your hair that you keep it held tight. Once you've reached the nape of the neck, then you're just going to hold the French twist in place with some bobby pins. Now this hairstyle can also be worn really casual, but with the holidays over and a lot of us back to work, I thought that this would be the perfect hairstyle for those mornings when you haven't got a clue what to do to your hair, whether you're going to work or you have an interview or whatever it may be. Now once you've finished securing the French twist in place with the bobby pins, you just want to tie up the rest of your hair with an elastic band. Now ideally it's better to use an elastic band that's clear or that's the same colour as your hair. Obviously I use a white one today, but that was because I didn't have any other one. The other thing is you're going to be hiding it anyway, so it doesn't really make too much of a difference. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I just kind of tugged on the hair was on the top of my head and on the sides just to give it more of a messier effect. So that's it for today guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Any of you who are new to my channel, you can subscribe by hitting the red button there on the right hand side, and that way you will never miss a tutorial. Bye!